What's up, Dustin and Team Copper? Just want to give you a little bit more information on this beautiful neuroscience tool that I just gifted you guys with. Now, when you first look at it, it may just look like a plain black pen with 3 colors in it that says sci-fi on it. But at the end of this video, I promise you, you're going to realize how powerful a neuroscience tool this is to increase your focus and your productivity. So the first thing we're going to go over is the colors. You notice that you have a black color, a blue color, and a red color. These are for when you are taking notes, any kind of notes that have some kind of importance to them. Black equals fact. So when you hear a fact, my name is David Mykel, I work for a company called PSYFI, and you work for Copper Mountain. That's a fact, you're gonna write it down in black. When you hear something that you wanna go back to and review, you're gonna use blue for review. This could be something you wanna get more information on, more context in, or maybe you wanna share with someone else to get them enrolled in it. So blue equals review. The last one is red. Red equals critical. When you hear something that's the biggest takeaway, something that blew your mind, something that changed your life, something you want to share with other people, you're going to write it in red. Why is this important? For your focus, when you go back and look at your notes, your brain automatically is going to decipher what is going on and what the level of importance is just by the color. The last thing about this beautiful neuroscience tool is that this can also be used for kinesthetic learning. Kinesthetic learning is one of the most powerful learning protocols that we have. And what it does is it's learning from using your hands going into your brain. And we're going to use the auditory piece of our brain, AKA our ears, in order to do this. Every time you click from a different color to write in your notes, your brain's going to hear this noise. And what it's going to do is create a transition state. It's going to tell your brain that you're transitioning from one task to another, from something that's a fact, something that's critical. Every time you do this, your brain engages in something called priming, which is priming for a new action, which helps you focus more. So team, I hope you take these pens and use them in every situation. I use these all day, every day, and I hope you have as much fun and get as much out of them as I do on a regular basis. Look forward to seeing every one of you in some way, shape, or form, but hopefully on the slopes. Look for a guy with sci-fi on his helmet.